Hey there, thanks for watching. We are going to go ahead and hop in a 2024 Mazda CX-50 2.5S Premium and show you a quick little trick to activate your rain sensing windshield wipers. But first, I have to get comfortable. With a touch of a button, I can go ahead and start my engine. And over here, I have a dual zone climate control feature to go ahead and set both sides of the front of the cabin to the same temperature. It's pretty cold outside, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on those front heated seats as well. In this specific package, you do have a panoramic sunroof, so good, you gotta see it twice. Up here at the front, we have our MI Drive function. On rainy days like today, I do recommend that you turn on your off-road mode, but let's move on. One of my favorite features is the wireless phone charger. It's going to sit right there where you see that power button. In your center console, you also have two USB imports. It's up to you, whichever you want to use. Moving on, activating your rain sensing windshield wipers. You're going to go ahead and pull on that lever one time and one time only. But if you have any questions about your 2024 Mazda CX-50 Premium, come on in. We'll see you soon.